Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I've seen in the comments that some of you are looking for part-time work, so that is what I have in this video. I have two different part-time positions. Both are non-phone and both require no college degree, so we're going to dive all in. I just asked that if you enjoy job leads like this, you can let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button, and of course, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, both these jobs are going to kind of be a roundabout, kind of in the same type of thing. First up, we have the company Webtoon. Now, Webtoon has 86 reviews on Glassdoor and overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a community support specialist part-time. This is going to be a 1099 contract position for the United States only. They are looking for somebody to work up to 25 hours a week, basically responding to their online communities to incoming user inquiries, complaints, feedback, and reports. You'll follow their operational processes and procedures, addressing any issues and maintaining a positive user support experience for the online community, staying up to date on any new website features and improvements, working with their departments to track and resolve any bugs or technical issues. No college degree needed, just 1 to 2 years experience in some kind of community or user support. They do want you to have experience using Zendesk. You've got to be technical and have problem solving skills and must be culturally aware of trends and pop culture in the United States. Now, they are hiring throughout the United States, but it says preference will be given to those who live in this specific standard time zone and can work those operational hours. Unfortunately, they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And along those same kind of lines, we have the company Crunchyroll. They have 215 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are also looking for a part-time contract social media community manager. Now, it does say they have offices in Dallas, Los Angeles, San Francisco. Otherwise, you can work remote. And they're basically looking for somebody to help with their online communities, including Discord, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, or Twitter is now called X, promoting positive fan engagement with the Crunchyroll social media ecosystem, creating frequent community engagement campaigns. You'll moderate and oversee the activities on the Discord server, including the team of moderators, to encourage the right tone and ensure all community posts and comments are following the guidelines over there. You'll respond to commonly asked questions, supporting the community management per the policies, including ban terms, making sure no one is bullying anybody over there on Discord, just keeping the community clean and upbeat. Again, no college degree, just 3 to 5 years experience in digital community management or some kind of social media marketing. You do have to know how to use Discord, have expertise in anime or anime fandom community, and be able to interpret and follow guidelines. So be able to follow directions, basically. Again, pay was not listed for this one. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.